So here we're multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Now, any whole number, any integer, is actually a fraction over 1, because 8 over 1 is the same as 8 divided by 1, which is 8. So I've actually turned that into a fraction there, turned this into a fraction here, and we already know from a previous video that when you multiply fractions, you actually just times the top and times the bottom, and then simplify if you need to. So 8 times 3 is 24, 1 times 4 is 4, and here actually if I think a fraction is a division, 24 divided by 4, well I can actually do that, it doesn't need to be left as a fraction. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Another way you could actually think of this is using the commutative rule, multiplication, swap it round, 3/4 times 8. Well actually, in maths, that times means of, and we should know that by now. So we're actually finding 3/4 of 8, and we know how to do that because I can use my bar. We're finding quarters, so I'm going to split my bar into 4. All of this is 8. So if I want to split it into 4, I've got to do 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So if I wanted 3/4, I would just be finding 3 of those boxes. 1, 2, 3. So my end answer would actually be 6.